Hello everyone and welcome back. Today I have a pink fantasy card to create with you inspired by the most recent summer blockbuster film. With that said, I've already cut out and prepped all of my supplies today to really get in the life in the dream house, Malibu girl aesthetic. So I have a bunch of supplies here that will make your card or your stationery creative journey a pink paradise. First, I have my archival ink in Vibrant Fuchsia, and in addition, a 2x2 clear stamp. I have my tape glue runner, some spare glitter paper that I will be using to back some additional elements. I also have this super cute, yummy glitter in round sorbet sprinkle that I will be sprinkling into my circular frame here to create a shaker card. In addition, I have a little insert that is going to add some movement and just a little bit more pizzazz to when whoever opens this card will have a little extra surprise. In addition, I have some spare, just plain white cardstock, some vellum for my shaker card. As always, you can reuse the stamp vellum or Ziploc baggies. You'd be surprised on what all comes wrapped in cellophane as well, so you might have something around the house. And the cream of the crop, my XL Mark custom address stamper. Now, this comes in a really fun and vibrant pink tone with a custom address label. So you, your family, whoever, you may put your own name on and customize your address. It comes in this really cute pink color and, of course, the fun retro font. So this will be the highlight of today's card. With all that said and done, I'm going to start adhering and putting together all of my elements. Just going to set all that aside. All right. So first I'm going to start, I just cut down my cellophane to a more reasonable size, and it is a pouch, so you can either gently tear, but I would suggest using a scissors because sometimes this stuff is a little finicky, as you can see. And you can even just line it up. So with my shaker card, my goal is to create a sandwich. So think of it as an Oreo cookie. You have your top part of your cookie, the cream frosting center, and then the bottom. So I will be working from the top down. That's what is easiest for me. So top down would be my little zigzag frame, my cellophane, and then my main backer. So I have my top cookie, my frosting, and the bottom. So right now I'm just looking to make sure that I have all of my, get out of here, edges adhered, and I think I'm missing just a little here. All right, here I'm just gently running my finger over my glue runner. So it's just forming this little ball of extra glue, and I can just toss that aside. I don't need it. Not so bad. I'm looking, and if there is some extra gummy on the side, doesn't matter. I'm gonna chop all this off anyway, and it will be layering on top. So if there are little mistakes, then just cover them up. That's what I say. Next, I'm gonna do essentially the same thing. I'm just gonna go around the edge. And again, just check that I don't have any open edges, and I don't. All right, now for the moment of truth. Move everything off to the side that I don't need. So what I did is I flipped my frame over, and I'm really just going to smush down get that nice and adhered. And I'm just gonna start with a little bit of glitter, because if you dump the whole thing out, then you have a mess and it's just not fun. So just go a little bit. I can actually open it up some more. All right, so here I'm just taking my little Cricut, I believe it's called a weeding tool, and I'm just loosening this all up. And here is the really tricky part. I'm just going off of pure guesstimation. So if you have a better technique, let us know down below, or hit me with a link to a YouTube video, because I would love to see how others do it. All right, I just really smooth this down with my finger because I don't want anything coming undone. And here we go. I have my shaker ready. I'm going to flip it over, and I'm really gonna add a lot of tape. And here I have my Excel Mark custom address stamp. So I have enough room to do a few just in case something doesn't turn out totally perfect, but I think I will get it on the first shot. So let's see what happens. Not bad. I can do another one just for good measure. And now for my inside insert. Can open this up. And all I want to do is just add a little bit . And then when I open, Now I have almost like a little spread. Here I have some additional summer themed sets. I have this one featuring a squeeze the day, go with the flow, or let's go to the beach, and then make waves. So I'm gonna be incorporating some little swimsuits, life preservers, and some additional beach elements. I think that'll go really nicely with my aesthetic. All right, now I am all said and done and ready to go party at the closest Malibu beach. As always, thank you for joining us, and we would love to see what you will create next using not only our address stamps, but also our custom clear stamps. So please make sure to hit us a hashtag stamp with us. Again, that's hashtag stamp with us. We would love to see where your inspiration will take you next. Thanks for watching, and remember to add a little bit of glitter to your life. Thanks for joining.